What is up, guys? Today we will talk about if you guys can connect Trojan to your Phantom wallet. Well, unfortunately, this thing is not possible. Trojan bot is only available for the wallets of the Telegram, and it could include different wallet in the Telegrams like Telegram wallet or bot for Solana. So if you want to do this for your Telegram, you just have to simply go to your Telegram and then enter the name of the Trojan bot. You can actually search for Trojan for Solana as well. You'll be able to find Telegram right next to it, and there you go. You'll be able to find these things right here. Now, if you want to try it, if I'll just try to go to Telegram, and in the Telegram, if I search for these bots, suppose let me just search for Trojan. Now, searching for Trojan will bring you these. As you can see, Trojan on Solana is a bot. I can start it and it will work. However, these bots are only limited to some specific like wallets, but it is not available for Phantom wallet. So that's pretty much it. That's what it is. Hope you guys find this very helpful.